What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. Finally I bought the one of the best XLR cable which have the cotton yarn. I'm talking about the LyxPro or LyxPro. As you can see, jump to the unboxing table. Here is the unboxing and review of the Lux. I don't know how to pronounce. Do you pronounce LYX or Lux? I mean, yeah, LyxPro. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Okay, this is a special cable. I have using one of these cable. I have become a fan. The number one thing is that you know, look here. It block a lot of noise. You're not going to get a lot of interference. They are using the cotton yarn in it. Okay, let me see how I can open this one. Okay, something like, okay, yeah, okay, like this, yeah, here we go. This cable is like, beautiful. Let me connect like this. Can I? Yeah, of course I can. This is the best. If you need the best quality cable in the world, you can't go wrong with LyxPro. To be honest with you, this is a really very high quality cable. Again, a high quality cable. I've used a lot of XLR cable. Even I did a review from Monoprice, Rock Valley, Audio 2000. But just buy this one. When you hold this connector is going to last for years. Just buy this one. Simple as that. It was me, Jimmy. Again, check out the link in the description box.
Allah faham beli